Hey, did you know the number one reason why you're stuck in a plateau and you can't climb to the next level in your life? I'm here to tell you why. It's really that simple. I wish someone told me this 17 years ago when I finished high school. Instead of wasting countless years grinding hard, reading hundreds of books, and wasting 17 years until I discovered the number one secret what's holding you back and what held me back for all this time. This is the number one reason why so many successful people go further in the shortest amount of time. Secret I uncovered after researching 500 books to write my first book, Success in 50 Steps. The number one secret that all business people and authors have told me while interviewing them and getting coaching from them, this secret will change your life. This is the major reason holding you back from achieving your goals and dreams. You ready? You're trying to do it all by yourself. That's right, you are trying to do it all by yourself. Stop that right now. You're trying to do everything by yourself without getting the right partner in your life. You need the right partner to partner with you on your successes, your dreams, your goals, and your aspirations. I'm here today to offer that opportunity. An opportunity for you to partner with me. I'm looking for 5 individuals to partner with to work with you privately for 28 days in a brand new coaching program I've created called the Archery Method. For 28 days, we're going to stop. We're going to pull back the arrow, aka your life, just like an archer does with a bow and arrow. We're going to stop, pull it back. We're going to get super clear, super focused. We're going to go far, straight, and further. That's right, you and me, 28 days. After 28 days, we're going to catapult your life far into the future, straight to your goals, straight to your dreams, straight to your aspirations. If I can't catapult you forward in 28 days for your new life, your dreams, your goals, your aspirations, I'll give you a full refund and some more as well. So I'm looking for 5 people to join me this month. That's right, 5. Are you one of those 5? Do something new, do something different, take a chance. Take a chance on your dreams, your goals, your aspirations. Stop going around in circles. Partner with me today, click the link below, fill out the form. I will jump on a Zoom with you straight away and we'll get started straight away. That's right, 5 people. You become one of them. Do it now. Give yourself the best gift by investing in your dreams. Stop investing in other shit. Invest in yourself. Invest in your dreams. Invest in your goals. Invest in your aspirations. The years aren't getting any easier. It doesn't get easier when you do life all by yourself. Stop doing life by yourself. 2020 was hard. 2021 is getting harder. The years ahead in the future, the people that are getting ahead in life are partnering the right people to improve their mindset and to improve their goals. Do it now.